Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the sender's name of emails on System.io. This is a great way to personalize your email campaigns and make sure your recipients see exactly who the message is coming from, whether that's your business name or your personal brand. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your System.io dashboard where you can access all the features and settings for your account. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see your profile avatar. This is typically a small circular icon that represents your account. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize various aspects of your System.io account. Once you're in the settings section, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of different setting categories. Look for the option labeled Emails and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all your email-related configurations, including sender information, email templates, and delivery settings. Within the email settings, navigate to the sender section. This is where you can control how your emails appear to recipients. You'll see a field labeled Name, which currently displays the existing sender name that appears in your recipients' inboxes. Click on this field and delete the current name, then type in the new sender name you want to use. Make sure this name accurately represents your brand or business to build trust with your audience. After you've entered your new sender name, scroll back up to the top of the page. In the upper right corner, you'll notice a Save button. This is crucial because without clicking it, your changes won't be applied. Go ahead and click Save to confirm your new sender name. The system will process your changes and update your email settings accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the sender's name for your emails on System.io. From now on, all your outgoing emails will display the new name you've chosen, helping you maintain consistency across your email marketing efforts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.